Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing how I made this bowl of super delicious, super healthy yogurt parfait. This parfait contains over 15 ingredients, which is a mix of fruits and nuts that the body needs, and is full of antioxidants, healthy for the body. So I have my Greek yogurt. The link to how I made this Greek yogurt, the video, is in the description box. You can do well to click on it and wash it. Into the Greek yogurt, I added some chia seeds, I added some pumpkin seeds, I added some sunflower seeds, and lastly, I'm going to add some sesame seeds. You can use any type of seeds and nuts of your choice, but these are the ones I love to use. That's why I use this. So I'm just going to mix it up with the Greek yogurt, and just to allow it to soak up the Greek yogurt, I'm going to be setting it aside for like 30 minutes. Do well to keep it in the fridge so that your yogurt doesn't get spoiled, since this is homemade yogurt and it doesn't have any preservative in it. So I have my fillings and toppings, which is cashew nut, toasted coconut, diced apples, diced mango, blueberries, granola, grapes, kiwi, strawberry, almonds, and dried fruits, and so on and so forth. You can use any fillings of your choice. This is just what I prefer to use. So into my bowl, I'm going to be scooping in my yogurt first, then I'm going to be adding my toppings and my fillings. Also, after adding it into everything, I'll add another scoop of yogurt. So this is the layering method. I prefer the layering method. Some people can decide to just add all the fruits and nuts into the yogurt at once, mix it up, and then they bash it up in their containers. It's still Greek yogurt. Any way you want to do it, I just prefer the layering method. So while I'm layering, I'm going to be layering in no particular order. It doesn't have to follow each other. I can decide to add granola and then add cashew now, or add apples. Then the next layer, I can decide to add blueberry, strawberry, and all that. So all I just want is for my parfait yogurt to be rich and full of all the ingredients that I want. Now I've added my chopped mangoes. I'm adding some almonds. Can you see how colorful that mango made it to look? It looks so colorful, and the popping is so popping and so attractive. I've added my strawberries, my dried fruits, and all that. So like I said, I'm going to be adding it in no particular order. It doesn't have to be like, okay, this one must follow the other one. So this parfait is a luxury parfait, so if you are making it for sale, you know how much you are going to charge for it, because these things does not come cheap. So I'm adding another scoop of Greek yogurt into my bowls. After adding those scoops of Greek yogurt, then I'm going to add another layer of nuts and seeds, like that. That's how I'm going to layer everything till my cup is full. I bet you this Greek yogurt, this parfait, this Greek yogurt parfait is so yummy. It's so yummy. You won't want to stop at one cup. The taste, the mix of flavors, the mix of crunchiness and all that made it so palatable. And the good part is that it is full of antioxidants, very healthy for the body. We all need nutrients in our body. We need good nutrients in our body. So this yogurt parfait is perfect for that. Absolutely yummy, absolutely tasty and nice. Please kindly click on the subscription button if you have not subscribed to my channel. Your subscription means a lot to me. It will help my channel to grow. It's not easy to make videos for YouTube, so please help my channel to grow. Thank you. I've decided to use my fingers, my hand for the layering because it's faster for me. And I bet you my hands are thoroughly clean, thoroughly washed. I only want to introduce germs into this parfait, so I made sure I thoroughly cleaned and washed my hands before touching the fruits. So, and this particular parfait is for my personal consumption. It's not for sale, so I can always use my hands. If you're making for sale, then please try use some gloves. Thank you. So like I said, I'm going to be adding another layer of Greek yogurt. I think this is the third layer of Greek yogurt I'm going to be adding before my final layering of the fruits and nuts on the parfait. Please and please, if you are enjoying my content, help me click on the thumbs up, give my video a like. Please, your like, your subscription means a lot to me. Thank you. I'm going to be tapping the bowls down for it to settle very well, for everything to settle very well. From the side of this bowl, you can see how colorful it is. In fact, it looks so attractive. Me looking at it alone, it looks so attractive. You know that this parfait is going to be very yummy. So now I'm adding my final toppings. That's the final layering, and I'm trying to add as much colors as possible because I want it to look very, very attractive. Apart from being attractive, it is very, very delicious and very healthy and very good for the health and for the body. For my toppings, I'm using blueberries, almonds, cashew, slice of strawberries, slice of kiwi, toasted coconut. You can use any topping of your choice, and mind you, parfait doesn't have to be as complex as this my own. You can use as low as 3 ingredients for your parfait. You can use as low as 4 ingredients. Me, I decided to use over 15 ingredients because I want it to be very, very rich, very, very rich and very, very healthy. So, and you can use any fruit of your choice. It doesn't have to be foreign fruits. You can use the local fruits. Some people have carrots, banana, pineapples. Just any fruit at all is fine. Can you see how popping, how colorful that parfait looks with all the different colors, green, red, purple? It looks so delicious, honestly. After adding everything, I'm just going to store it in my fridge till I'm ready to consume it. The colder it is, the more delicious it tastes in the mouth. At this point, I'll say thank you so much, my lovelies, for always watching my videos. always supporting this channel. I didn't take it for granted at all. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now my yummy, delicious, healthy, full of antioxidants Parfait is ready. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Oh my god, and it tastes so amazing and so yummy. Thank you once again for watching my video till the end. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.